You're watching how Leap lets allow calls on your other Apple devices like iPad or Mac. This feature uses iPhone cellular calls. First, ensure all devices are signed into the same Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. On your iPhone, open the Settings app and tap Cellular. Tap Cellular calls on other devices. Turn on Allow calls on other devices. Below, you will see a list of your signed-in devices. Toggle on each device you want to receive calls on, like your iPad or Mac now. On your other device, like a Mac, open the FaceTime app, go to FaceTime settings, and ensure calls from iPhone is turned on. On an iPad, go to Settings, FaceTime, and turn on calls from iPhone. When your iPhone receives a call, your other devices will also ring if they are on the same Wi-Fi network. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.